Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to mute group mentions on Instagram. If you're part of a busy group chat and want to reduce those constant notifications, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your device. If you haven't done that yet, go ahead and launch it now. Next, look for the messages icon at the top of the page. This icon usually looks like a paper airplane and is located in the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it to enter your direct messages. Once you're in your messages, scroll through to find the group chat you want to mute. This could be a group of friends, family, or colleagues. Whatever it is, locate that specific conversation. Now, when you've found the group chat, click and hold on it for a moment. This action will bring up a menu with several options related to that chat. From this menu, select Mute Messages. Here, you'll have the option to choose how long you want to mute these notifications. You can select a specific period or choose to mute them indefinitely until you decide to unmute them. But we're not done yet. To specifically mute mentions in this group chat, hold down on the group chat again, and this time, select Mute Mentions from the menu. This option ensures that even if someone tags you in a message, you won't receive any notifications about it. And that's it. You've successfully muted both messages and mentions from your chosen group chat. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping your notifications under control, while still being part of the conversation when you choose to check in. Thanks for following along with this guide on how to mute group mentions on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you next time.